Hello everyone, welcome to my channel for nursing exams learning. In this video, we will discuss a question related to depression, especially in adolescents. So we'll start with the question. The nurse is reviewing the records of an adolescent client. Which findings suggest that the client may need a referral for depression screening? Select all that apply. I will revert the question. A nurse, she is reviewing the medical report of an adolescent client. While she is reviewing, she finds some findings that require depression screening. So this is all select all that apply question. So out of the 5 options given, which all are the findings that suggest this client require a depression screening, or which all are the findings that is shows that adolescent have the problem related to depression. So we'll read the options one by one. Option 1, client has had disciplinary issues due to absenteeism and angry outbursts. Option 2, client has lost approximately 8 pounds or 3.64 kg over the last 3 weeks without trying. Option 3, client is often found sleeping during class or activities. Option 4, client quits sports despite receiving previous athlete awards and trophies. Option 5, client voices concern about appearance related to facial acne. So out of these 4 options, which all are the findings suggest that this client is showing some symptoms or some findings that is related to depression. So before going to the answer, we'll just have an idea about depression and its connection with the adolescent age. We know that adolescent age is more prone to develop to such kind of anxiety related mood disorders and depressive disorders. The risk is more in adolescent age, because in this age if the client is developing an identity of role as an adult, because they are going to be an adult and they have some conflict and issues in their mind of being an identity role as an adult. Because of that, they have some problem that will develop in their personal relationship or that will develop in their daily life. And another thing we should keep in our mind. However, we know that this is a risky age and there are some symptoms are related to, there are some findings are related to depressive disorders or anxiety disorders. However, there are some vague somatic symptoms like headache or stomach ache are not connected with depressive disorders in adolescent client. These are some of the normal findings that we can see. That's why we call that as vague somatic symptoms. And another one that this usually the adolescents will be more irritable and cranky rather than sad because of their age and their hormonal influence, everything. Then what are some of the signs of depression in adolescent client? We should have idea about this one. Then easy for us to answer the question. One is that hypersomnolence or insomnia. They might have a napping during the daytime or during the activities time, daily activities time. Then they also have a low self-esteem. That is withdrawal from the previous activities, previous pleasurable activities or enjoyable activities. Then they might have an outburst of angry, aggressive or delinquent nature, vandalism, absenteeism, then inappropriate sexual behavior, then weight gain or lose without making any proper try or without any connection with the intake of food, or sometimes they have a very lack of interest in eating. Sometimes they will increase more food. So these all are some of the signs that is connected with the depression in adolescent client. So keep these points in your mind. Then another important point that I saw some questions are adolescent age is very risky age and the depression during adolescence will be a significant cause of suicide in this particular age group. So that is also an important point. So now we have got some idea. Now we will come back to the questions and we'll see what all are the answers. Option 1, client has had disciplinary issues due to absenteeism and angry outbursts. Yes, that is a symptom which is connected with the depressive issues in adolescence. So option 1 is correct answer. Then option 2, client has lost approximately 8 pound or 3.6 kg over the last 3 weeks without trying. See here the keyword, that is without trying. It is happening in there because sometimes they may take more food, sometimes they don't have a interest to eating the food. So that is also a finding that is connected with the depressive or anxiety disorders in adolescent age group. Then option 3, client is often found sleeping during the class or activities. That is also we said that. Then client quit sports despite receiving previous athletic awards and trophies. They have very low self-esteem. Because of that, they could not enjoy any activities that they have received some gifts or trophies previously. Then option 5, client voices concern about appearance related to facial acne. So option 5 is not a correct answer. Why? Because this facial acne or the appearance related problem are common in adolescents. That is an expected normal finding that we should not connect with depression. Because we know that during the adolescent period, the people or the girl or boy are very concerned about their physical body appearance, and they are very worried about if something will disturb their good appearance. So if the acne will develop in their face, they might be very worried, they might be more concerned about that. That is a normal expected finding that we should not connect with the depressive disorder or any anxiety disorders. That we can see in most of the adolescents, especially because of the hormonal change. The chances of developing acne and some other body image changes are common. So sometimes the client might be, or the people or the girl or boy might be more disturbed. That is common, that we can give some suggestion and some remedies to overcome from that. So out of these 5 options, except option 5, other 4 options are the correct answers, because other 4 options have some connection with the depression or depressive disorders in adolescent age group. So our answers are option 1, option 2, option 3 and option 4. I hope it's clear to you. Please review the topics. If you found any difficulty, if you feel any doubt about the way we are discussing or the points that we are discussing, please mention in the comment box and we will try to improve, and also we will try to include more points if you found any difficulty. Okay, so bye for now and do well for your exams and study well. Bye bye.